Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel Virgin Money credit card. To cancel your Virgin Money credit card, follow through the end of the video. The first thing to do is to open a web browser and then type in uk.virginmoney.com in the URL box. Doing this will take you to the official website for Virgin Money. Once you get to the official site, scroll all the way at the bottom of the screen and click Open the Contact Us tab under Get in Touch. The easiest and the most effective way to cancel your credit card is by contacting the customer service representative, since it will be easier for you to cancel your credit card since the customer service agent will be guiding you through the process. So click on the credit cards option under I want to talk about an account or service, and this will then elaborate other options. Click on Virgin Money credit cards and you will be able to see necessary phone numbers on the display. If you want to speak to a customer service agent about your cancellation, you can directly call on this number at the top and speak to a representative and tell them that you would like to cancel your credit card. Be prepared to provide any necessary documents for identity verification and follow through the instructions. But remember that before proceeding to cancel your credit card, you must complete and clear any outstanding payment left on your account. After you have it, you will be able to cancel your credit card whenever you speak to a customer service agent and follow through the instructions. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.